We're Kristen, Sia, Kai, and Atlas. 3 years ago, we bought a 1976 Airstream and renovated her into our dream tiny home called Luna. We spent 2 years traveling around Canada and the United States. Just before our daughter was born, we stored Luna indoors to avoid winter. After a year in storage, Luna is coming out and getting ready for us to move back in full time. But before we can do that, we'll be doing some upgrades to the space. This week, we've been working on Kai's bedroom treehouse. Wow, Kai, you're doing a great job.
Welcome back into Luna. We are making Luna 2.0. We're brainstorming right now how to build a bed for Kai.
After a lot of going back and forth, we have decided, unless we decide again last minute, no, this is it. We're building the bed here. We've got like 2 feet wide, and the length, I'm not sure what the length is, like 4.5 feet about?
Let's measure it.
Almost 5 feet long. We're going to take the barnwood off, and we are going to put it, well, we're going to build a wall here, and this is going to extend this part here just a little bit, and the wall's going to come up here. We're going to use the barnwood to do that, and then we're going to build shelving here so that we can put like mason jars and spices, and it'll be an extension of the kitchen. Right,
and then right here will be a door, some sort of a door. We'll see. Let's get to work.
You know you're a star, just look yourself in the eyes. Yeah, what a shot that you got, don't leave this moment behind. I am just a fan of all your power and might. I know you can, you're the man, you're the type.
Got it? Whoa. Cool.
Wow. This is what the wood used to look like.
Before it was finished.
Before it was finished, and like just a little sand and a nice quote, and wow. It's beautiful. This is going to go up here, and we're going to cut it to size to fit like right in the wall.
That'll look good.
I think that'll look really nice, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Totally. Today we're going to be working on Kai's bed. This is how we keep our 1.5-year-old occupied while we build her bed for right now. We got snacks and Moana. She doesn't get much screen time, only in situations like this, and she's only pretty much ever watched Moana probably 100 times by now, but she loves it.
I want to take off this little piece of trim, and then we have to measure the walls to make sure that the wall we're building on this side is exactly parallel to this wall, because we're going to build a door, and the door is going to have a cool feature.
You got it. You got it.
So right now Kristen is cutting slits in this piece of steel, the steel beam.
Cut into the steel so that we can bend it, and it can fit perfectly like flush along the walls. Going with the steel, it's lighter. It's also like kind of skips a step in a way, because with the wood you need to get brackets and rivet those into the Airstream and then put the wood in between the brackets. So this, with the steel, it's lighter and you're literally just riveting the steel right to the Airstream.
And I gave it a little extra just because I didn't want to be short. Yeah, I can see we can probably use a few extra snips now.
Right.
Just to make that contour nice.
That's actually looking really good.
That's looking pretty good. Like, yeah. It's the right contour. Now I've started to drill holes and actually rivet. And for those, who've never riveted before, this thing is a knuckle buster. Woo! Gonna get a forearm workout today. This is a rivet right here, and the way it works is you put it into this little rivet gun, you drill a pilot hole, push it through, and then you start squeezing. Just start burning that forearm, squeezing the rivet to be smushed on the other side, and that way it holds the two pieces of metal together. And I gotta do maybe 30 of them right now, maybe more. I found 4 squeezes does it, and then you'll hear the pin break. Boom. Now that's in, the pin falls out the back of the rivet gun. The rivet's in, it's secure. It's going through 1, 2, 3 pieces of metal. It's the second drill bit I've broken.
Better look out, that's the pow and the sound of a fight. You've got this down, you're the woman inside. It's your height, you've arrived, it's a sign of the times. What a shot that you've got, don't leave this moment.
You did it.
That was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
This is where we snipped and bent and snipped and bent all the way up. And these are the rivets going in. I'm just putting them in maybe every like 5-6 inches. That feels secure. From the side, that definitely feels secure. The complicated part of this whole thing is leveling. If anyone has renovated a boat or an RV, you understand just how unlevel of a surface you're already working on, and then you have to then build things that need to be leveled. So right now I know that our Airstream is a little off balance. It's just so cold outside. I don't want to go out and re-level this whole Airstream. But for this next step, I really need to level the Airstream. Icicles! There's icicles!
There we go. Let's see if it fits. Ready, Kai? We're gonna see if your bed fits. Whew. Whoa. Look, Kai, your bed. Wow. What do you think? She's like, I don't get it. It doesn't look like a bed.
It will be. It's getting there.
Close.
It's getting very close.
We are using a compass as a scribe to get the perfect cut. So basically what you do is you have your pencil in here and you just like hold it. You use the pointed side here, like this little needle, and you trace the wall. And as you trace the wall, the pencil draws on the piece of wood. We just have to cut along that line and it should fit into place perfectly.
I'm now at Home Depot to pick up supplies. So you order online and then they send you a confirmation number, and then you show up here at the pickup station and they just drop it off at your car and you load it in your car. I actually prefer this method of shopping at Home Depot.
When you drill, you look like you're taking a poop.
Is that my... Okay, I'm drilling.
This is Sia's poop face.
I have a combination of wood studs and steel studs. The steel went where I had to like make bends and stuff. Now I'm adding some 2x2 supports in between, just to add a little extra rigidity. Rigidity? Just to add a little extra rigidity. All right.
Wow, you actually put it up?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Wow. That's so cool. Wait, is this it?
Yeah.
You've screwed it in.
Yeah. Screwed it into the bottom, not to the top.
We're gonna like use the jigsaw to to actually cut while it's attached.
Yeah, that was my plan. Okay, so this is where Kai's head is gonna be on this side. And then I don't know what we'll do above, but we're gonna decorate it and Kristen will fairyify this area. Fairyify. And then here, we left a little space in here so we could build shelving.
Right, this is cool.
Can you lie down?
Yeah. I could sleep in here.
Maybe
My mom could definitely sleep in here.
Yeah, your
She's
mom's
shorter than
gonna
me.
sleep in here.
It's fun up here too. Like, look at the Airstream from this perspective.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I've never routered before.
And hopefully it looks amazing.
Will it hold? You're building me a bed, say thank you.
Having so much fun doing this.